Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch dressing with ranch seasoning. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite ranch seasoning mix. Next, grab 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt for a creamy base. Finally, have 1/2 cup of milk or buttermilk ready to achieve the perfect consistency. These few items are all you need to start. Now that you have your ingredients, let's combine them. Take a medium-sized mixing bowl and carefully empty the entire ranch seasoning packet into it. Then, add 1 full cup of mayonnaise to the bowl. Follow this by stirring in 1/2 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt. These ingredients form the rich and flavorful base of your homemade ranch dressing. With your base mixed, it's time to achieve that perfect dressing consistency. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk or buttermilk. Now, grab a whisk and thoroughly combine all the ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. If you prefer a thinner dressing, simply add a little more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired thickness. Your delicious homemade ranch dressing is almost ready. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or transfer it to an airtight container. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the wonderful flavors to fully develop and meld together. Then, simply serve and enjoy your fresh ranch dressing with your favorite snacks or meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.